Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get subtitles on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials to log in. So type in your email address and your password and proceed with logging into your account. And then click on your account from the Who's Watching screen. After logging into your Netflix profile, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start browsing through the various shows that are available to watch. Now, when you open any show and start playing it on your device, you will find the audio and subtitles section at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from the different audio languages as well as the subtitles available. Now, within the subtitles section, you can scroll down and you will see the various different options or languages that you can see the subtitles for that show in. Now, if the subtitles is turned to off, then you will not see any subtitle within the show. So make sure to choose your desired language and then tap on the apply button, and now the subtitles will appear within your show at the bottom section. You can change the languages and the audio while you're watching the show as well by simply following the steps mentioned before. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get subtitles for your shows on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.